Now in this video, after opening this model to view our post, let's now create our post view item, which we can add inside this model to view our post. So here we can go back to our terminal. Here let's type PHP artisan make Livewire, here post view item. Should be in this order, post.view.item. Click enter. We want the full component and blade. Alright, so after creating that, right here inside our model, here app Livewire post view, the inline model. Alright, here after the header, here we're gonna import our Livewire component we just created. So here you can type something like Livewire, a full colon, here post.view.item, same order. And here we can say full colon post. Want to import this post that will be passed here, this post. That this post. Or after that, add a / and close that component. Alright, so now after creating this, let's go and add some things to our post view item. So here we can say this one, post view item, open that. And then inside here, actually before we do that, let's also just close others. In here, let's open our post view, our blade component. In here, let's receive the post because we're receiving the post. So here you can say public, say post, import this post model up there, comma. Alright, so after receiving that, now we can access this inside our blade component. Alright, so for our blade, we're simply gonna do a few CSS classes. So just follow me on the classes and just type it really quick. Alright, after typing these classes, just remove this. And you're gonna have two aside elements. So in here in the first one, you can say class, and inside here we're gonna have a CSS snap scroll. So you can say div dot px2. Okay. Inside here we're gonna have some. Actually, before we add this, let's add a few classes on the other side of the aside. Overflow y scroll. Awesome. After adding that inside here in our CSS snap scroll, we're now gonna show our video and our post real quick so we can check out how it's working like. For each, we can say post media as file. So here we can point it to this array key like that, key, and then point it to the file. Here we can have a div and snap center. Alright, so inside here now we're gonna have a switch element, so we can determine if it's a video or a photo, then we can show the correct case. So here I'll say if type, actually here don't forget, make sure it's post type, actually post meme. Right. In here let's say if the case is video, then we're simply gonna say x video and say the source to open bracket file, this file, let's get the URL. If it's an image, then we can simply say image dot height full dot object scale down. After creating this class, and in our source, we're simply gonna say like here file URL. At the out here you can say image. Alright, if everything is okay, let's just go back, refresh the page. Alright, here if we open, nothing is showing and we have no errors, so but this is showing quite alright. Oh yeah, here, alright, here guys, this is post media file. Here make sure that it is file, not post, because we're picking the wrong variable. Now if we go, it should refresh automatically. Awesome. See, now we are viewing the post like that. If we, for example, if we close this one, let's go on a different post. In here, if I click like that, you see we are viewing the image instantly and immediately on our post view model component. Same thing here down. So you have this image and this second image like that. So I think for now that's it. In our next video, we're now going to start working on our right side we're gonna show our comments and our footer and such. So see you in the next video.